This is my friend Norm's crib. $1,000 a month. Penthouse. Unbelievable. Rooftop pool. Beach view. Come check this out. See what $1,000 gets you in Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, Norm?
What's
How you doing, man?
Come on in.
All right, bro.
Come on in.
Wow. How you liking the crib, man? Show us what's up.
Loving it. Loving it. Actually, it's been pretty good here. Actually, quiet, I'll tell you that right now. And I got my view of the ocean every morning. I get up. The sun actually rises right in between.
Oh,
and then
man.
sweeps over to the left. It's gorgeous. I can't under. And then you got your my storage is unbelievable. It's huge.
That's what she
Put it in
said.
there. Yeah, and then it goes to the back, but I just you don't even use it. I just put my junk in there. And you got your own shower, which is
Private shower.
private shower.
Very nice. Man, beautiful. You got marble too? What?
Yeah, it's nice. It's and it gets cleaned every week by the maid. So I do
You don't have to do any cleaning.
nothing. Actually, once a week she comes in, raps at the door. I leave 50,000, 100,000 on the table, which is like what, $7. I'm loving it.
Big money.
And they are like over the top for it.
Love it, dude.
Little washroom.
Oh, you got a water closet. I love the
Yep.
separation. See, this is something that's very rare is having
Yes,
a
it
separate
is.
water closet.
And
marble
it's,
too.
Yeah.
Nice.
And it's clean and it's private. And
Wow.
if you have a guest over, it's private. Totally. You
I
still
love
do
it.
other things.
I love it.
Microwave and rice cooker, which I've never used. Never eaten here.
Never eaten here. I love it.
Actually, I buy the odd fruit, put them in the fridge, water, and
That's about it.
they can take that fridge and make it half the size for here. I don't even use it.
You got 2 ACs I see too. That's pretty nice.
Yeah, 2 ACs.
Place is frigid too if you want to know. It's just lovely.
Yep. And I had an issue the first week I came here with the internet.
Mm-hmm.
They took care of it within an hour. Put a brand new system right in here because
What?
I used to be out in the hallway.
Brand new system, one call.
Yeah, and they said, you know what? Go put it in your room because it was just chattering in and out a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Not an issue.
I love it.
And separations from my bedroom, so if you want privacy, you got a solid door.
Boom.
You got
Peace
your
and
own-
quiet.
And you still got a balcony if you want.
Got your TV in here too.
Yeah.
Got your wardrobe.
I don't know if it works. I've never used it.
Never used it. I love
Is
it.
Not here.
I
I'm
love
always
it.
out
Well, yeah.
hanging out.
Why would you watch it? There's so much to do out there.
And then you got your curtains here that are halfway opening and whatever.
Nice. So you got a city view. You got a city view
Yeah.
and an ocean view.
Yeah, that's the backyard, but it's just where all the people are living. It's like a totally different type of view. It's not as pretty as the front, but that's the whole back city.
Nice. There's the Ferris wheel right over there by the Dragon Bridge.
Yep.
Loving it.
And then you got the room, big nice sized beds in here. You got your couch, and then you got your AC like the other room and balcony.
You got a private balcony here too. I love it.
That table used to be in here as a kitchen table.
Mm-hmm.
Useless. When I have guests over and you just want to sit outside and
man.
have a drink and have something to snack on from when you bring it in, takeout.
I love it.
And you got the beautiful scenery here.
Damn, man.
Love it. Those flowers just hide enough that it makes it proper.
Yeah, man. This is a nice view. If you guys notice too, they are doing a little building over here.
Yeah.
And you're still in a local neighborhood over here too. This is right off the beach, so you're still in a local
All
neighborhood.
local on the street. Pharmacy across the street. And, yeah, it's local. And the beach is one street over. And I used to walk the long way. I found a short cut.
You just cut right through the
Right through.
cut right through the stuff here and go right to the
through
beach.
the coffee shop, which is Starbucks over there, which is kind of rare, and I love it. And then the beach is right there.
You got washer and dryer up here too, although you probably do laundry?
I do my towels only.
Okay.
Because I wash them every third day or second day.
Yeah.
And everything else, out to the laundry.
Hey, it's
For-
$4 a week for me.
Yeah, that's it. Nothing.
And I don't touch nothing.
And I
Yeah.
only have 2 towels. That's the funny thing. So I gotta wash them myself. If they're
Right on.
laundry, I have no towels.
Yeah.
And I have a private balcony to go.
You got a
to.
private entrance to the pool.
Yes, I do. And it's shaded above me all the time too. I have this extra shading. It's a pretty cool pad. I love it.
Great
Love it,
crib.
love it. Or when you come back from the pool, your towel's wet, so you throw it in the dryer and you're done.
Would you show us the pool off the rooftop?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, I gotta go in the other door. I left it open. Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah, it is. I love it. I love
Got a
it.
little chill spot up here. Check out this view from the pool, man. Wow. $1 million view.
And the water always warm. You sit up here at night. Actually, I watch the fireworks.
Oh, dude, yeah, this is.
All I do is sit at the end of the pool. Me and my friends would sit here and just watch the fireworks.
Yeah. Dude,
Yeah.
living the rough life.
Yeah.
This is what, $1,000 a month gets you in Vietnam?
Actually, yeah. It's like actually a little less. 1,000. I mean, 950.
Dude, living your best life.
Living the dream actually now. It's so comfortable.
Thank you for the tour, brother. I appreciate your time and your tour.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Boom.